on NCB land, and until this year, its future looked bleak. The Marley Hill open-cast pit adjacent to the site threatened to engulf the headquarters, destroying the 1855-built engine shed. British Coal have at last guaranteed the future of the line, which has been operating for 17 years. We visited the railway on its May Gala weekend. 5 locomotives were in operation, 4 of which were built on Tyneside. The oldest is Hawthorne Leslie No. 2, dating from 1911, while surprisingly the next oldest is the Armstrong Whitworth diesel built in 1933. The coaching stock was purpose-built for the railway, although in time original Northeastern and Great Northern stock will be used. Burwell is the odd man out, being built by Hudswell Clark in Leeds. Marley Hill Shed was built as part of the Bowes system and was in use for 115 years until 1970. In 1971, preservation took over, the Tanfield now using it as their major workshop. Contract work is undertaken in the workshops. Here, the North Yorkshire Mills GWR 280's wheels are turned on the wheel lathe which was acquired from the Concert Steelwork system at Templeton. In these workshops, the railway is using the past to rebuild the past for the future. First movement off the shed was Sir Cecil Cochrane in order to work the demonstration freight. The building in the foreground is to be the signal box, utilizing a frame from Ashington Colliery. The engine passes beneath Gibraltar Bridge, itself rebuilt by the railway after BR, without warning, demolished it in 1973. She rolls onto the freight in Andrews House Station. First departure of the day from Marley Hill was double-headed by ex-CZGB engine Airwell and ex-NCB Hawthorne Leslie No. 2 from Waterside, Ayrshire. The Ashington brake van leads the way as Sir Cecil Cochrane propels stock out of Andrews House Station. This is to be the main passenger route with an extension to the Causey Arch and East Tanfield. A few minutes later, the Robert Stevenson Hawthorne engine ascends the 1 in 33 bank back to Marley Hill. At Marley Hill, the steam crane stands on the former through route to Kibblesworth, now used as a head shunt for the depot. As Errol departs, RSH tank number 21 moves off light engine from the station, and Armstrong Whitworth diesel number 2 moves off the depot. Irwell arrives at Sunnyside, the northern terminus of the line. The coaches are built on underframes of utility vans to create the image of the independent light railway. The ex-CEGB Blade 1954 RSH saddle tank runs out of the loop to work the return train. Soon there will be 2 destinations from Sunnyside Station. British Coal recently proposed a half-mile line to serve Marley Hill Opencast site as a tourist attraction.